for the Cadbury Flake from Great Britain treats. We have 10, but we're only going to do 5 tonight. This is the crumbliest, flakiest milk chocolate ever. And, oh look here, you can scan for Joy. Check it out. I don't know how you get Joy when you scan that, but scan here for Joy. I don't know who she is, but we ain't gonna scan her today. We're not gonna scan her today. You know Joy?
No.
No, I don't know her either. I'm not gonna scan. This is Flaky Flake.
Describe what it.
It's a cool package. I don't know what it is. I can't describe it. It's
Like what it says, what it is.
the crumbliest, flakiest milk chocolate
I'm gonna eat all of them.
with lots of different ingredients, and we will find out.
Wait, I want this for last, Daddy.
Okay, that one's last. Here we go. Check it out. Now that's pretty cool.
Wait. Yeah, you got me in the
Check
face.
that out. That's like a
No, it's crumbly.
some kind of artist deal there.
It's like
That should be put like in a what's that museum they put stuff in? What is that place? Y'all know what I'm talking about?
the wax machine?
No, like the Smithsonian or something.
Smithsonian.
What?
Yeah.
You can,
Smithsonian.
Some Stonian place.
Like take strips.
It looks like a chocolate stone. See, it's making a dadgum mess.
Yeah.
Oh. I wouldn't eat this.
I just ate some of that.
I'm not ever eating anything.
That's just a bunch of dried up chocolate, and they folded it and put it in here and called it flaky. There ain't nothing to that. That's where they come up with the name Flake.
Is it good?
See? Yeah, it's good.
Golly. What's this?
Tastes like America instead of UK.
Made a big bus.
I'm not a big fan
Okay.
of chocolate.
There's the flake.
This one's for last. So last.
It's flaky, all right.
I'm not a big fan of chocolate.
What we got now? The double filling bar. This is when you're real hungry because it's double filling instead of single. It just does you better. Cadbury double decker. Oh, look here, we can win. I don't guess we can. Boy, you scan for this one. Oh, look here. Joy wants you to scan this one too. Scan here for Joy. We never find out who she is. We're going to scan. So I don't know who she is.
I'm gonna keep it in this one.
Joy must be popular in Great Britain because
Oh gosh.
she wants to be scanned on all these bars.
Oh, I don't want to take.
This is a, oh, here we go, sorry. Nougat top and crispy bottom in Cadbury milk chocolate. Chocolate. Check it out. Oh,
I
yeah.
don't. Oh.
Oh, check it out.
What in the world is that?
Check it out. It's glue holding it together. See?
It's not
Look,
blue.
they glued it together. They
Wait,
put,
what?
yeah, they put it together in all them
Making
pieces.
Wait,
What's
what?
in it?
What's in
Nougat.
it?
Nougat top, crispy bottom.
Oh, so Rice
See?
Krispie on the bottom and nougat on top.
Yeah, it's
Rice Krispie on the bottom?
and glue in the middle. Here.
That should be
My
good.
lip got stuck.
Not good. Plain.
Yeah.
Ew.
Well, that's food.
I tried both of the sides.
I
Well,
like nougat.
Chocolate. No, but I mean for this probably wait.
Joy, you can keep that one. It ain't that great.
That's weird.
It is great.
We're going to have to have a refill of DP.
And some more ice. Very last.
I took too big a bite of that. What we got now?
This is for all.
Give this twirl a whirl. How about that?
Look what I got.
The UK puts great things on here. The US should put sayings like this. I might have more chocolate.
Can't scan it.
Does this one scan?
No.
Well, Joey, you're out of luck, Joey. No, look here. They put her arm on here. Scan here for Joey.
Wait, what?
Scan here for Joey.
I can't see.
I'm gonna find out who she is. Ain't you? Look, Scan here for Joy. I don't know her.
Neither.
Do you know her?
No.
I don't know her.
Mama. You might.
This is a intense. Oh, big word. Intense.
Wow.
Cadbury milk chocolate hit.
Intense.
It don't tell much about this one, other than it's intense. It's nutritional, because it says for nutrition lift flap. You know, it's gotta be nutritional, or they couldn't put that on there. Yeah, for nutrition lift flap. I say for nutrition, just open it and give this twirl a whirl. It says.
Yeah, probably a big twirl.
So they're pretty good at coming up with these little. This is oh heck! All this is one of them doohickeys wrapped up in chocolate. Looks to me like. This is like brother from another mother bar here.
Yeah, brother.
They
And
look
mother.
the same, but they just a little different. Yep, look at that.
I won't eat
How about that? They thought they'd trick us. Look,
What?
all they done was took the flake and made it a twirl.
Wow. Wait, twirl.
Here goes
There we
nothing.
go.
That's all they done. They tried to improve the flake, but they didn't. So, Joey, this twirl don't give me a whirl. Okay. No, just
Quit.
You have a big mess. So.
here we go.
Yeah.
Curly Wurly.
Really?
Curly Wurly. That would that used to be Jacob's name. Curly Wurly. This is a oh, look here. Scan for Joey again.
Yeah.
I don't know who this Joey is, but we're gonna find out if we ever go to this place.
UK,
Yeah.
London, Britain,
You Condian something, I don't know.
UK,
Let's see.
United Kingdom.
It's broken pieces.
This is I don't know if it's nutritional.
It's all broken pieces.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's nutritional. It don't tell nothing about this one. It's a Curly Wurly. I'm trying to look here. It's a Cadbury. It's just a Cadbury
pretty
Curly
nice.
Wurly.
I think that's what it looks like anyway.
I'm gonna try not to tear the wrapper because
Save
I'm gonna give this to Jacob because it's a Curly Wurly.
Yeah.
There's you,
Well.
Curly Wurly.
That looks like a pretzel.
Oh, yes. Hey.
You want a piece of the Curly Wurly?
Yes, please.
You ain't
Oh
not
my.
trying everything.
The Curly Wurly's got
Caramel.
Caramel.
oh, yay, joy.
Oh, that's sticky.
That's
Good.
good. That's good since y'all went to the dentist today. We're having chocolate. That's great. We're great parents.
Just brush our face enough.
They're tasting good though.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
The Curly Wurly. The Curly Wurly is pretty good.
Now last. My favorite.
Cadbury Dairy Milk. Well, I don't like milk, so
I like milk.
Me neither.
this is
Because you can have milk really good.
about
Talking about milk chocolate.
that's
That's
something
what you've
about,
been eating.
something about Queen on here. I don't
I
know.
eat everything, Mama.
Let's see what it said. Oh, look here. There's Joey's other arm.
Oh.
Scan here for Joey. I don't know who she is, but she likes candy, don't she? She's on every one of these things.
I eat
All this
everything.
says is dairy milk.
I ate everything.
Okay, dairy milk. See them pouring the milk out?
Yeah.
Brown cow, white cow, black cow, they come from every cow. Some of it's solid, some of it ain't.
I want some
It's
of
just
it.
milk
bitter.
chocolate.
Oh, this has got emulsifiers in it, whoever they are.
What is that?
I don't know.
I'm not eating it.
I was gonna see how much.
I'm eating it.
I was gonna see how much energy this thing has. Oh, this has got 1,004 kJs.
Oh gosh.
240 kcals. So we may be doing flips here in a minute.
Okay, I can do
With all this
flip.
here dairy milk.
Okay.
You ever seen a cow do a flip?
No.
I seen one do a flip on TV one time.
I saw someone do a flip on the YouTube.
It was in a hurricane.
I'm not eating it already.
No, I'm not hungry.
Okay, eat it
I'm
already.
not eating it.
Adam, it's just chocolate.
I'm not hungry. No,
Here.
I'm out now.
Hey, you're in. You're in. You're at the table. You're in. You can't sit at the table and not play.
Just like normal chocolate. Whoa.
Well, we got better chocolate
Yeah.
in the Americas.
It's just like greasy.
Well, we still got more to try.
The US of A is better than some old antique looking, folded up, dried out, wafered looking chocolate stick.
This is the best for me.
You like the dairy milk?
Yeah.
This is kind of like a plain Jane Dove bar,
It tastes like Reese Pieces.
but it's, I don't know, maybe it's got joy in it. I don't know. Maybe that's the difference. Okay, that's it. We can eat chocolate if we go to Britain. Chocolate,
Yep.
we can eat. We'll make it.
I'm just gonna eat.
We'll make it. Good deal.
I'm just gonna eat all of that.
Clocking out. Checking out. Punch. We're gone.